unraveling the mystery of irregular verbs in English, because who needs to learn by heart when you can just have fun? Irregular verbs can be a bit of a head-scratcher because they just refuse to play by the rules of regular verbs. But don't you worry, I have a strategy for you that will make it much easier to learn irregular verbs and their forms. This is Natasha's English channel, and today we talk about grouping irregular verbs. Watch this video till the end and get a gift from me. This gift will help you to learn irregular verbs much easier and faster. Now subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet, like this video, and we start. Grouping irregular verbs is a helpful strategy for learning and remembering irregular verbs in English. This strategy involves organizing irregular verbs into groups based on their shared patterns. By grouping these verbs together, you can identify what they have in common and make it easier to remember their past tense and past participle forms. To make it easier, we will call past tense form the second form and past participle form the third form. Here are 9 common groups of irregular verbs. Group number 1. Verbs that do not change their form. For example, bat, 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 bead, 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 burst, burst, burst. Group number 2. Verbs with the same second and third forms. For example, get, got, got, have, had, had, make, made, made. Group number 3. Verbs that change the vowel sound in the second and the third forms. For example, sing, sang, sung, swim, swam, swam, ring, rang, rung. Group number 4. Verbs ending in UGHT in the second and the third forms. For example, teach, taught, taught, seek, sought, sought, buy, bought, bought. Group number 5. Verbs ending in en in the third form. For example, break, broke, broken, choose, chose, chosen, freeze, froze, frozen. Group number 6. Verbs with base form ending in d, which changes to t in the second and the third forms. For example, bend, bent, bent, send, sent, sent, build, built, built. Group number 7. Verbs ending in OWN in the third form. For example, throw, threw, thrown, know, knew, known, blow, blew, blown. Group number 8. Verbs ending in OUND in the second and the third forms. For example, find, found, found, grind, ground, ground, wind, wound, wound. Group number 9. Verbs that do not belong to any other group but all together sound like a poem. Be, was, were, been, see, saw, seen, do, did, done, go, went, gone. By grouping irregular verbs in this way, you can recognize and remember their pattern. It is also very helpful to create a chart or a list of groups of irregular verbs and review them regularly. This approach can help you learn a large number of irregular verbs very quickly. And now it's gift time! I prepared for you a list of 79 common irregular verbs split into groups that we discussed today. And you can download it for free. The link is in the description. But this is not all. I also uploaded these lists to Quizlet, and you can practice them as much as you need. The link is also in the description. I hope this was useful. See you next time. Bye-bye!